Hello guys, Realme C21Y is a budget device with a launch price of Rs 22,000 in Pakistan. In this price slot, it directly competes with Samsung Galaxy A03s that is available for Rs 22,500. If you want to see how Galaxy A03s performed in my test, here is a video link. The rear panel is a geometric art design that looks trendy and also helps to avoid the fingerprint smudges. By the way, it's a cross black color and there is a blue color variant as well on the market. You can also see a triple camera setup with 13 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel black and white lens. There is also a fingerprint scanner on the rear side. This phone gives us a UNI-Soc T610 chipset, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, Android 11 and Realme UI. The 6.52 inches display gives a 720 resolution and looks quite huge. The bezels don't disturb and I found it interesting to see a color management option in the display setting area on such a low price phone. You can customize your display from here, change the colors or intensity. 64GB storage looks enough for a normal user, but you will definitely need to add an extra SD card. You get face unlock and fingerprint scanner both. The scanner is easily accessible and works very quickly. On Antutu, this phone gave us 160312 score, which is way better than what we got on Samsung Galaxy A03s. Let's see what Realme C21Y can do in the camera department. In the daylight, you can take some decent images. The camera interface is fairly simple, but it provides all the necessary features. For example, you can find a variety of beautification options in the default capture mode. Instead of working as a button, the zoom toggle key works as a slider. The portrait mode uses a lot of software processing for creating a bokeh that is controlled through a slider at the bottom. Similarly, the more button reveals more options such as slow-mo video, macro mode and night pro mode. The digital zoom can go up to 4x, but it is much better instead of using zoom, go as close to subject as possible for capturing details. Pressing long the shutter button doesn't take the burst shot unless you activate it from the more button. With right distance and stable hands, the C21Y can take some nice bokeh and macro shots. It can shoot 1080p videos from the rear camera, and just like the pictures, it's better to avoid digital zooming. You can use some editing tools from the gallery to trim your videos, stabilize them or even rotate them before sharing on social media. The 5 megapixel front camera can shoot 720p videos, and as I said, the daylight quality is quite reasonable. The camera setup provides a night pro mode in this price range, which is very interesting. Of course, you shouldn't be expecting too much in the darker situation and extreme low light areas, but you can use flashlight, which is quite powerful and can help a lot. Realme C21Y gives us a 5000 mAh battery that takes around 2 hours and 50 minutes to charge. In our full drain test that we do by running video in a loop, the phone could survive 12 hours and 17 minutes, which is below average performance. Even if we compare it with Realme's own C25 and C25s, the difference is huge. Well, if you want to see some great 5000 mAh battery performers, you can find the link below in the description area. On the other hand, the overall battery performance with social media apps is very decent. It drained 5% battery in 30 minutes of video recording. YouTube consumed 3% battery in 30 minutes, whereas on PUBG it drained 18% battery in 1 hour. Interestingly, PUBG offers HD graphics setting that is great surprise for PUBG lover in this price range. The game gave me a smooth performance and I didn't face any major hiccup. If you want to extend the battery life, there is a list of tools in the battery setting area to increase your backup time. Well, this phone can also reverse charge, and in case you don't have a power bank with you, you can use C21Y to charge your other devices. Well guys, overall this phone is a decent performer. Other than the back-to-back video backup time, the battery performance is great. The camera has a few interesting features and works good in the daylight, but I think HDR mode and the Night Pro mode could have been a little better. So guys, what do you think about the Realme C21Y? Tell me in the comments below. If you find the video helpful, please like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.